You should visit an ENT specialist if you are experiencing ear pain, ear discharge, hearing loss, recurrent nasal infections, sinus problems, recurrent throat infections, or any swelling in your head and neck region. Snoring and sleep apnea comes in an ENT specialist domain, and definitely we can help you with all these problems. You don't need a reference to book an appointment with an ENT specialist. You can directly call us or contact us through our website. Your health is our priority, so schedule your visit today.